everyone, this is Maria and today I'm going to show you how to make fruit burritos. They're super simple and yummy. And so all you're going to need is some flour tortillas. I'm going to use these white flour tortillas that I purchased at the 99-cent only store. They're not the super large ones, but you can see they're pretty large because I'm going to be folding them over at the ends because I don't want the fruit filling to spill out as I'm cooking them. And then I'm going to be using this fruit filling. I'm going to use the peach. I also have cherry in my cupboard, but you could use any kind of fruit filling in a can that you would like to use. And this will make 2 good-sized fruit burritos. We're also going to need a bowl to put our filling in. I have some paper towels here to drain them because I'm going to be cooking them in oil, and a paper plate here. And I'm also going to need a frying pan with some cooking oil, a spatula to turn the fruit burritos over as I'm cooking them, and a can opener to open the can of fruit filling. Let's get started, you guys. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my stove to about right there, just about medium heat. And then I'm going to pull this right back over and let that heat up for just a minute or two. So now I have my fruit filling in this bowl and I have the 2 tortillas. These are right out of the package. I'm going to put these in the microwave for about 20 seconds. I just want to soften them up just a little bit more before we put the fruit in and fold the ends over. So here they are right out of the microwave. They're nice and soft now, pliable. And so let's go ahead and just spoon some of the fruit in the middle, just like you're making a burrito. Have you ever had a chimichanga where you fry the burrito? That's basically what we're going to do. I love peaches. I also love cherries, so it was hard to decide which ones to make today. And so let's go ahead and set that right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the end flap, just like that, just like that. And then I'm going to fold this over. See how nice it is, this size of tortilla to work with? And I'm going to fold it over just like that. Here's the second one. I'm just gonna fold it over, just like a burrito, and fold it over this way and that way. And there we have it. We have our 2 fruit burritos. And so I'm gonna very carefully put these in the oil. This is hot oil, so if you're a kid, if you're a child, make sure you get some grown-up help for this. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, that looks nice. And we're just going to brown them. Oops, you can see it's starting to come. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna pop that. That is so funny. Okay, if it does that, you can get a fork and then just let that air out. Let me grab a fork really quick. I forgot that they do that. And so I'm just taking my fork. There we go. So have a fork on hand. And so here we go. Because the tortillas will puff up sometimes, you can see this one didn't and this one did. Okay, that was a good reminder. And so let me check. You can see they're browning. You don't want to burn these, so do not walk away from the stove. Okay, gently turn that over. Be careful because you don't want the oil to spill and you don't want any burns. And this one here looks like it's ready to turn over. There we go. Yum, you guys. These are so delicious. Okay, that one looks like it's browning nicely. And this one is too. So let's go ahead and remove these from the frying pan. So I'm going to remove this very carefully. You don't want it to slip off. And I'm going to put this on the paper towel, just like that. And I'm going to do the same with this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That one's slipping off. And there we go. We're draining the oil on these paper towels. And I also have an extra paper towel here. Just going to go over the top. They're starting to cool down. It's been sitting here just for a minute. I'm going to turn these over. I just like to get as much of the oil off as possible. And so yeah, it looks pretty good, you guys. So here's my fruit burrito. It looks really nice, so super simple to make, and they are so delicious. You can top this with ice cream or you could just put powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar, anything you'd like. I'm going to add some whipped cream, but first I want to cut into it so you could see the middle. And so let's go ahead and do that. It's nice and crunchy, flaky on the outside. Let me lift that up. Look at that. Yum, yum, right? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of whipped cream on top. A super simple dessert to make. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.